Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at the TONOR TC-777. What is in the box? Let's do the unboxing right quick, okay? Paperwork, warranty, the instructions manual, this is a USB, there's a pop filter, and the microphone setup itself. It's very well protected. Now, I already preset this microphone. I mounted the pop filter and it comes in with a tripod. Here it is. It comes in with a shock mount already. So you can either use it or not. Or you can handheld the microphone if you want. Now, it's meant to be used like this on a desk. But, I don't know. I don't like the idea of having, a microphone on the desk. I like the idea of having a microphone on an arm. Like this. This is more convenient. So, but we can do it like that too. But this was a quick unboxing and overview. But the most important part of a microphone review is how it sounds. So let's go to it now. Okay guys, so here I am using the TONOR TC-777. And well, we are doing sound testing and I am actually speaking to the microphone. You can see the distance that I got to the microphone. I want to hear the plosives, 20, potatoes, papa, and right now we are testing the proximity of the microphone, how clear it sounds. I'm going to use this time to talk about the build quality of the microphone. Well, the build quality, the shock mount, it's made out of plastic ABS. The pop filter was just another pop filter, but this one is on a small scale. I like it. It is a compact microphone system, and I do like the fact of it. You are also listening to the raw audio. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the waves. Okay, so this is a recording that I just did, and I'm going to show you guys that, well, it's the microphone, the TONOR TC-77. Okay, as you can see right here. And my output is my USB mixer. I'm running it at 16-bit, 8x150 samples. Let's go ahead and take a look at the microphone here. Now, I am not going to be doing any recording with the microphone because I am using OBS right here. Okay, you see me right there using OBS, and my input is let me see, hope it doesn't mess around with the settings. The input, I'm using the TONOR TC-77 or 777. Okay, I just wanted to show you that so you don't think I'm manipulating the audio. What you're listening to what you're listening to right now, it's raw audio. It's not being edited, and whatever it's edited is gonna be, I'm gonna do in post-production. Right now I'm doing all the recording. I haven't put anything on Premiere Pro. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this wave. This is how it looks when you record. Now if you want to bump up the audio, you can. If you go down to sounds on Windows 10 or whatever software you're using, you're probably using Mac. You can also do the same. You can see here the TONOR. If you go to properties and you check your levels, I have mine at 80. It was preset to 86, I think, but it picks up a lot of well, not a lot, but it picks up somewhat background noise. So I just wanted to show you that as well, that I'm using right as I'm recording this video. So I recorded this a few seconds ago just to test, like I said, the audio quality, and I want you guys to listen to it. I'm gonna go ahead and mute the audio of my microphone, so the only audio that is coming in, it's from here, and you're gonna see what I'm doing, and I'm gonna explain to you as well. Alright, this is a microphone test. I am testing the TONOR TC-777. I am testing the plosives, I'm testing the highs, the mids, and I am now going to do a quiet test. How much of the background was picked up, the noise, the self noise, and everything. And then I will conclude with my final thoughts on the quality of this microphone. Because like I said, it's not how it's built, but how it sounds. Okay, now that we listened to that, I want to explain to you a few things. The audio quality of the microphone, like the equalization, is like the lows are like this, the mids are like that, and the highs are kind of like in between. It's like that. If you know about EQing, you know what I'm talking about. It sounds really good, but it doesn't have a whole lot of bass. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my FX. Now I have one FX preset, and I want to show it to you. It comes with Reaper. Reaper is a free DAW software that you can use. It's very easy to use. And I name it Noise Remover. There's a video that I'm going to link down below in the description where you can get these settings. I don't know how to get them done. I just follow that video and do it. Now, listen to this. I'm going to go over to the quiet section. And you're going to see right here, you're going to see in here, the background noise. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and mute OBS so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now, I hope that you're using headphones because you really need them. This is a background noise that bothers some people, like it bothered me. So if you're anal about it, it will probably bother you. This microphone, though, I have to say, some microphones have built-in noise. It's called self-noise. And they're extremely loud. And you have to do a lot of tricks to get rid of that background sound, the noise. And it's very, very annoying. Now, if you're one of those that gets annoyed by the amount of sound, then you might want to use like a noise remover software or something. Reaper has it built in, so it's free. Now, let's listen to the quality now. Now, this is just noise remover. Alright, this is a microphone test. I am testing the TONOR TC-777. I am testing the plosives. I'm testing the highs, the mid. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I really like the way it sounds. I really like it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some EQ to it. Let me see. I don't have none of this. I'm going to have to use the built-in. Okay. Alright, this is, I'm gonna add a little bass. Alright, this is a microphone test. I am testing the TONOR TC-777. I am testing the plosives, I'm testing the highs, the mids, and I am now going to do a quiet test. Now, this audio right here is a minus 20 dB. If you want to increase that, then you would have to boost up the volume. In order for us to do that, we do it here. Alright, this is a microphone test. I am testing the TONOR TC-777. I am testing the plosives, I'm testing the highs, the mids, and I am now going to do a quiet test. Alright, so what are my final thoughts on the audio quality of this microphone? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I want you guys to give me your opinions. I want you guys to participate and give me your feedback down below in the description. What do you think of the microphone? The sound quality, because like I said in the pre-recording, it's all about the sound quality and how good it sounds. In my opinion, see, I don't want to shove my opinions down your throat. But my opinion, personal opinion, I like the sound quality. Wow, it's a budget microphone. You can't lose. You can't lose. It's a good microphone. All right? Bye.